All right, so now we're going to talk about how to create effective titles to sell on Amazon. As with a lot of the information that we're teaching here in the Brand Builder Bootcamp, you can get conflicting data, and I might have a way that works for me that's different for other people, but this is what we generally do in my business. I'll use an example here, and we're going to stay with the same example of dog leashes, okay? So the first thing that we want to do is a little bit of, and we'll get more into keyword research later, but we want to find the top 3 keywords. And generally we'll do that by either using merchant words, so we'll type in dog leash, and we sort it by highest volume, descending, so this shows the highest volume keywords based on their data for dog leash. You can also double check that by typing that into Amazon, and it'll tell you their top keywords here. All right, so you just compare those, you find the top keyword, and what I generally do is, let's see if I can find an example. Well, I'm going to tell you what my formula is, and it's not a one-size-fits-all formula, but I'll usually have the #1 keyword here. So let's say the #1 keyword was hands-free retractable dog leash, whatever that #1 keyword is. And then I would say by brand name, okay, so in this case, Love & Pet. And then a couple more high volume keywords after that, adjustable leash, waist belt, and then you have some features or benefits, 45 inches, size, color, if it's, quantity, package of 4, whatever it is, right? So that's kind of generally the formula, is like #1 keyword by brand name, #1 keyword by brand name, keyword, maybe 3 to 4 keywords tops, and then just some other benefits of that product with the size and the weight, if that's applicable, or the number in a pack, the color, things like that. Amazon does have different maximum character limits for different categories. So I can't tell you what that is for your category. It varies. There's so many categories on Amazon now, and it varies from category to category. But sometimes it's 100 characters. Sometimes it's only, 50 or 250, whatever it is. Just look in the back end of your seller support or your seller central and find out what that is. Keep it within Amazon's required character limit. Once it's live, here's the thing, guys. Once it's live, you're going to change it. You're going to test it. You need to split test everything. Don't think that you're going to create a perfect title once and it will be perfect forever. You're going to try different words and different long tail versus short tail. There is no one-size-fits-all formula. You just need to see what works for you. But that basic formula that I just told you seems to do pretty well.